Dallas. Few cities symbolize the American dream bigger and better than this one. And for nearly 2 decades, George and Noonan Real Estate Group has served as the entryway to this region for thousands of high-net-worth individuals and families.
The George and Noonan Real Estate Group is comprised primarily of Troy George, my business partner, and myself. We have a support staff as well as buyers agents and listing agents. And our primary claim to fame, I guess, is being premier luxury agents in our area. We assist quite a few people, anywhere from professional athletes to doctors, attorneys, CEOs. Our clients are anyone truly who's interested in buying or selling a home.
So we're seeing a lot of companies move into Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and it's just a very easy way to travel.
It's a great place where people can work, raise their family, but still have the capacity to get to either coast easily.
With 50 years of combined experience, the team at George and Noonan Real Estate Group are unquestioned leaders in helping high-end clients buy and sell the homes of their dreams. They offer concierge-like service by assisting both sellers and buyers obtain access to the best mortgage lenders, movers, home builders, and other contractors in the business.
Becoming industry leaders is truly thanks to our previous clients, with 75% of our business is referrals.
I started 32 years ago and met Lucy 16, 17 years. We've been in business 15 years, and over time we've accomplished a lot and built relationships up with lots of people, developers, builders, people relocating to the Dallas Metroplex.
We've had the luxury of selling now over $2 billion worth of homes and making people happy, helping people achieve their dreams. In the last 2 years, the biggest challenge for a buyer is to find a home. Inventory was extremely limited. And if they found the home, they had multiple offers, which is super exciting for buyers. It really truly made it challenging for a buyer. Recently, the market has shifted now. So the challenges are consistent. It really truly depends on the market and what's happening in the market today. What makes it interesting to work with Troy is that every day is truly a new day.
Every morning we talk. When we first get up in the morning, it may be at 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, but it's like, Lucy, it's a new day. Here we go.
Yeah, and sometimes it's quite frustrating as well. In the tenuous times, he makes me laugh. In the strategic times, we both make each other think and become better.
George and Noonan Real Estate Group offer proven marketing strategies and staging consultation to effectively position each home to yield the highest sales price for their sellers. Their market expertise and superior negotiating skills help buyers and sellers navigate what is often the largest investment of their life. Based on their amazing results, their clients are their biggest advocates. Referrals are at the core of their business.
Troy's a big picture guy. He sees everything from the big picture, helps you look at things and see how things would fit here and there, from the outside view. And then you bring Lucy in, and she's the detail person. She's the detail, she's the design person. She can figure out how things fit into perfect spaces and make things just work together, make it a seamless project.
We've bought several properties, and it's never a question who's going to handle our transaction for us. Every time we could pick another realtor, but George and Noonan definitely are the realtors that we trust and know will make the best deal for us.
The movie room I like, our family room, very open. We can seat a lot of people in there. That's where a lot of family gatherings happen. And the elevators. I have 2 elevators in the house.
People trust us. They know who we are.
Also, people see us as very open to any client. We've helped people get their starter home. We've helped people get intermediate homes, their luxury homes. And then we've even seen people who live in the beautiful luxury home who has a change of course in life and move back into what most people would say a normal home. George and Noonan Real Estate Group just continues to grow. We literally have been encouraged to seek other states, but as long as DFW is growing, this is where we'll be. I see the sky's the limit.
To find out more about George and Noonan Real Estate Group, visit georgeandnoonan.com and designingspaces.tv.